Hey guys, welcome. This is Don Raf speaking. Welcome to Don Raf Alpha, where I teach you guys how to make money with AI, crypto, and so on. So today we are going to test this AI that I create. Okay, I built this AI just to help Nigeria and Africans to, build and think on how to make money. I have been talking about AI, how you can take advantage of it to make money online. A lot of people have been queuing up and making money for themselves, and I want you to be part of this. This is the reason why I'm showing you the practical way, what you should ask AI, so that it will give you the correct and accurate answer that will help you or enable you to make money online. So this is the same thing you can join our group. Okay, you can join our WhatsApp group, Telegram channel, where you can learn a lot. So this is the AI I created. So we are going to start by asking the AI this: what exactly is Niger income, and what can it help Nigerian do in 2026? Okay, this is the question I'm asking this AI. So what I want you to do right now is to ask the same question so that you will get the accurate answer. So here is what the AI have to tell us. Okay, Niger income, okay, is a 7-day execution system designed to help Nigerians start a practical, realistic income stream, even with low capital, just a phone and unstable internet. So here, for you to know that this is exactly what you should be doing, and this is business. You can see what the AI said. It is not a motivational platform, a crypto scheme, a money making fast promise. Okay, it is a structured launch plan focus on Nigerian realistic. Okay, so here is Naira. So WhatsApp, unstable power, weak internet. Can you see that? WhatsApp. So this AI understand Nigeria very well. Okay, because I coach this AI to understand Nigeria economy and what you can earn from it. Okay, so that was the reason why I said before that if you are still broke, it is your fault. Okay, so if you think it's not your fault, let me hear it in the comment section. Tell me why it's not your fault. So okay, so this is designed to move you from I am confused to I have paying clients in 7 days. What it helped Nigerian do in 2026? In 2026, Nigeria has high unemployment, rise cost of living, weak naira. Okay, so increase internet access, grow demand for digital service, businesses that need online visibility. Niger income help Nigerians start service based on businesses with low or zero capital. Example: WhatsApp sales funnel setup for small business, social media content creation, mini website setup, graphic design, lead generation, online tutoring, CV writing, short form video editing. Those required, what you need in order to start this. A lot of people don't know the power of this AI I built. Okay, this is the what you require to do. Okay, what you need, that's you need phone, you need data, you need time, you need skill, or 7-day plan to learn. Okay, this is or 7 days to learn one. So you need to, it's giving you everything you need to do. Okay, it's giving you everything. So monetize existing skills. If you have skills before, you can monetize it with this particular AI. Okay, so if someone already knows hairstyling, baking, makeup, tech, fashion, fitness, teaching, Niger income helps them package it, position it, find paying clients, sell properly, escape learning mode, and enter execution mode. So many Nigerians watch YouTube, join Telegram group, buy cheap courses, follow 50 business idea, but never execute Naija income forces one model, one offer, one market, one clear 7 days launch path. This is the reason is different from any other AI, because this understand Nigeria, and I build it to understand Nigeria and everything about Nigeria. As you can see it right here. So this is number 4. Please, the reason why I'm telling us this is so that you will understand everything and know the right approach to use on this AI. Okay, so build income that beat inflation. If you earn in dollar, or service businesses that make daily sales, you protect yourself against naira devaluation, job instability, company layoffs. So here is number 5. Stop depending on government or one employer. So the next question is who it is for. Students, NYC members, unemployed graduates, workers needing extra income, stay at home mothers, anyone serious about building income. That's what this particular AI is for. Okay, so here is who it is not for. People looking for instant millions, people who won't follow instruction, people who quit after 2 days. Do you understand? So it's not for them. Sorry about that. If you want theory, I can explain more. If you want income, answer those 5 questions. This is where the magic starts. This is where the magic starts. So how much money do you have to start? Okay, so what's this is the question, the 5 question you need to answer in order to start. So this is the question number 1. How much money do you have to start? Phone. Number 2 is phone only or phone plus laptop. Internet strength. Then current skills, daily working hours, and your blueprint starts immediately after your reply. So today we are going to do a lot of things here. Okay, what I want you to do right now is to follow me step by step. This kind of video, you will not see this kind of video anywhere else. You can only see this video in this particular platform. Okay, so I want us to do this so that we understand what we are doing. Okay, so we are not going to start right now. I need to ask the AI another question that will trigger so that you understand what we are doing here. So I'm going to ask AI about them. I want you to list 10 ways a Nigerian can make money online with just phone in 2026. Okay, with just phone and AI. Let's just ask the AI. Okay, so you can say good, you said only a phone using AI, Nigeria 2026 reality. So no theory, just practical model that can actually work here. Here are the top 10 realistic ways Nigerian can make money online in 2026 using only phone and AI. So number 1 is AI social media content creation for small business. As in, the kind of knowledge you are going to get from this AI is top notch. So what you do, use ChatGPT plus Canva to create posts for saloons, real estate agents, mini importers, fashion vendors, restaurants. Okay, why it work in Nigeria? This is, and it will tell you why you should do it and why it is working in Nigeria. Most small business post badly or inconsistently. What you charge? 20,000 to 50,000 per business. Tools: ChatGPT, Canva, mobile, and WhatsApp. What you do, use AI to write sales scripts, create automated reply, structure product catalog. You help business convert chat into sales. Okay, this is it. Who need this one? Who need this one? See who need it. Online vendor, mini importers, skincare brand. So it will tell you who you need to position this particular product to. Okay, so the charge is 30 to 80,000 per setup. Okay, we are going to do everything. We are going to start setting those things up so that you will start making money. So number 3 is AI caption and hook writing for Instagram vendors. A lot of ways to make money online, you don't know. A lot of ways. So this one is AI caption and hook writing for Instagram vendors. You think a lot of people are not making money? A lot of people are making money with it. What you do, write high converting caption using AI. Many vendors sell good products but write weak captions. Deliver 30 caption per month. Charge 15,000 to 40,000. Okay, so this is the fourth one. The fourth one is faceless AI TikTok or Reel page. What you do, use AI to generate scripts, use CapCut to edit, use stock visual and create niche page. Relationship advice, finance tip, tech news, Nigerian gist, monetize via brand deals, affiliate marketing and paid promotion. I don't know if you understand what this is all about. A lot of people are making money. This fifth one, that's AI CV and linking optimization service. Mass unemployment, high demand. Use AI to rewrite CVs, optimize LinkedIn, create cover letter, charge 10,000 to 25,000 per CV. You can do 4 per week, steady income. So this particular one, I have already created AI that will help you to write this particular one, this CV, AI CV. Okay, I have created AI that can do it. So I'm going to drop the link in the description so that you can equally use it to make money. A lot of people are making money. The only thing is that you are not taking this serious. Okay, if you are taking it serious, you are going to make money with it. So number 6. So this number 6 is mini importation. Mini importation products research service. Use AI to analyze trending products, create product descriptions, create ad copies, sell research reports to mini importers. A lot of people don't know what this number 6 is all about. Do you know that some products you are using today, some people do research about it, and after doing the research, they are going to sell it to mini importers, and those mini importers are going to import exactly what they are researched about, and you will be the final consumer. And this person that do the research, is you are going to pay this person 15,000 to 50,000. And if you choose this number 6 to explain more about it, it's going to tell you even how you are going to get even people that will pay you this amount. That's the magic of this particular AI that I built. That's the magic. So AI powered ebook creation for Nigerian niche. So create short ebooks like how to relocate from Nigeria, NYC survival guide, side hustles for students, how to start a POA business. Use AI to write, sell via WhatsApp and seller. So the price is 3 to 10,000 each. A lot of people are making money. The thing is, because you haven't started, go to YouTube, Facebook. When you go to Facebook or YouTube, you are going to be seeing some ad, all these advertisements. Those people are selling what they are learning. That's the same way you are going to sell what you are learning here. Number 8, regeneration for realtors and loan agents. So it's keep going to AI video script writing for YouTube. So this one is AI will be writing scripts for YouTubers. Okay, so many Nigerian youths don't write well. Okay, generate script, structure content, add hooks, and charge this person 10 to 30,000. Affiliate marketing with AI content strategy. EdTech, investment platform, courses, hosting company. Use AI to write review, create WhatsApp broadcast content, create email scripts, and commission based income. So reality check important. Most Nigeria failed because they try 5 things at once. That's the thing. They don't sell daily. They are scared to DM businesses. They are over learn and under execute. Simple. If you want, I can create. Okay, if you want, I can now rank those based on fastest income. So but to do that, answer this. It's still asking you the same question. It's still asking you the same question. So I think at least by now you know what this AI is all about and how you are going to make money with it. It's very simple to do. Okay, so just bring your idea, or it will help you generate ideas for you. I hate it when you don't make money, or you are not making money and you have your phone. It doesn't make sense to me. I want us to make money together. That's the reason why I have been doing research, just to, you know, give you the best, so that you will stop staying broke. Okay, so guys, I'm going to drop this here and we are going to do it again in the next video, and the next video is going to be a bomb, because we are going to build another thing that will help us to make money, because we are always eager to make money online. Okay, see you guys, and make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and follow us in all our social media, because we are coming to serve you better. Bye.